Move on to the next game and see what's waiting for us here. Okay, we have to use different colored flags to tell our hero to run away or cleave. So let's see how exactly. We can use flags, different color of flags, to choose different tactics. In this level, the green flag will mean you want to move to the flag. So if there is a green flag, we move there. If there is a black flag, that means we want to cleave where the black flag is. And the doctor will heal you at the red flag. So green flag, go there, black flag, cleave, and red, the doctor will heal there. So here we define a green flag. So this find flag with color green. Black is this find flag color black. Nearest is this find nearest enemy. So if there is a green flag, pick up the green flag. If it's black and the cleave is ready, then pick up the black flag and cleave. Else if there is a nearest enemy and this distance to the nearest enemy is less than 10, then attack. So this means and. So condition for this if is double. So we have a condition that the flag is black and the cleave is ready. So both conditions have to be true, and if they are, then this happens, what is inside. And here we also have two conditions. If there is a nearest, and nearest is practically enemy, but here we call the variable nearest. So if there is a nearest, if there is an enemy, and the distance to this nearest is less than 10, then we attack. Only if this both criteria is met. So try, play around, and later we will do it again together. Okay, so what we did here is we added the line which says that we have to pick the black flag and cleave the nearest enemy. And later, if this condition is met, so if there is a nearest enemy and distance to the nearest enemy is less than 10, then we have to attack. So you see, we used nearest because we also defined variable nearest as this find the nearest enemy. We could call it whatever, we could call it nearest enemy, but then we would have to also say here that we want to attack the nearest enemy. But we will just use the nearest. So let's submit, and let's not forget one thing. So when we put a black flag somewhere, and if the cleave is ready, the hero will cleave the nearest enemy, and if we will put, otherwise it will attack, and if we will put the flag here, the hero will go and get back the health so that he will be able to go and fight again. So let's see how this works in practice. So we have a black one. We send the hero here. If the cleave is ready, hero Now he has to... Ah, didn't work. So let's try again. We have to make it heal. So maybe he shouldn't go too far. Quickly back to heal. And then we do it again. We do the cleave. Okay. Quickly again back to heal. Then we go and cleave again. And back to heal. And then again. We cleave and quickly back to heal. Okay. Now we can try to attack more. And quickly back to heal. We are not strong enough. Fight and perfect. So we had to heal and attack and cleave and heal and attack and cleave the whole time. But at the end we managed to defeat all the ogres. So we can continue.